We used to come by here and go, ooh. Well, yeah, when they're smoking them. I do believe he's gone.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll be darned. Kelly's cabin. I should have took a picture of that sign. There's a lot of good bike riding on Summerland Key. Both on the north side and the south side of the road. You can do a lot of mileage. Never leave the island. And they've had a free boat here since Irma or before. The SS Minnow. SS Minnow. I don't know why they never hauled that out of here. I bet you could get it with the big skidster. Well, I don't even think you